हेलो गाइज, वेलकम टू द चैनल वंस अगेन। सो आज जैसे बोला था कि मतलब एक सपोर्ट यदि कुछ भी आपका मतलब कुछ भी एक बेरिश मूवमेंट दिखता है तो 13 डेज मूविंग एवरेज लो से वो सपोर्ट पकड़ेगा। सो टुडे एट द ओपनिंग टाइम ओनली व्हाट वी सॉ दैट ए बेरिश मोमेंट here. If you see at opening time only we saw a bearish movement over here. Okay, there is a attack, there is a gap down, and after that we saw that Nifty took the support from here. Okay, yesterday only I told you that if it is taking any, don't take any short position, instead take long position if you are seeing a bear side movement, because if it is taking, because now the Nifty is in long side, so we should go ahead for the long side. And what I am seeing, what I am foreseeing is 15,800 would be the one of the target from where it could see some resistance. So here you see some sideways momentum. So today what happened, it took the support, and this is what support, this is actually the 13 day low support. Actually it is the support which is taken by the 13 days low. Okay, this is one, and another one is that we are reviewing the trade for means the post analysis. Okay, and another one was this one, what I told that after 140 or something you could see 140 or 240, 140 I think so, 140 a long means this one will come, negative momentum will come, and after 240 we'll see again a move towards upside. So this moment, whoever will see that they will see that yeah, it is some negative moment is coming down. Okay, but that was not the case. See, whoever see will the technically, it will show that there is a double top, and you should go for the long position, means short position, you should go for the short position by keeping the stop loss over here, but that was not the case. So that was the warning I gave yesterday in the video. In the yesterday video I gave the warning that after 240 another some positive moment will come. So that was the warning I gave you, that's why. So what is next now? So next, as you know that we are here. If you go towards 1 hour chart, okay, so 1 hour chart, what is 1 hour chart? Again I will be telling you that this is actually one, this is one, this is two, it is done, and we are heading towards third, fourth and fifth. Okay, so let me adjust my scale, and and this third movement will be come towards 16,000, sorry, it is 16,000 showing. 1 minute. So I have some background noise, so please avoid actually. So fifth will come over somewhere here, and this will be a 23.6% of retracement actually, this will, and fifth will be somewhere, we have to see what was the range it was coming earlier. So this one, what I am telling is that see, so this is 1 and this is 2, this is 2, this area is 2, this area what it is make zigzag is the 2. Okay, and we have breakout from this here, and we are heading towards 15,800, because one is this wave is equal to this wave is equal to this wave is done, and there is a breakout actually. Okay, and this breakout, that is why this is the breakout. And now tomorrow, what is the next actually? Tomorrow again I am telling, if the Nifty will come down over here, 13 days moving average low. Okay, Nifty will make some 13 days moving average low, absolutely 13 days moving average low will take the support. Okay, take the support. If it is not taking the support, then that is the second candle is your stop loss, and you should exit from the trade. I am repeating, first candle you leave it. If it is coming down also, you should not go ahead and to do any positional short But second candle, if it is again if it is a bearish candle, then exit from the trade, and you could enter into the short trade with the stop loss as this high 15,600 as the high. Okay, so that was the range actually for the positional. But now what is the next for this one? What is the next for intraday? So intraday people, so what I am telling is that keep your 21 days moving average also. That was I have never told you, but now I am telling, keep your 21 days moving average. See, it is very simple to trade, and keep it simple. Stop loss is the way you could respect, but it is very simple. So keep it as simple, because we are in the long trade. If it is a trend is long, trend is in bull trend, then you should not take any short. So if that is the criteria, then what you have to do, if any bearish movement is coming, if anything is coming down, if the candlestick you are seeing that if it is down, then find the support in your 21 day average. 21 day and 13 days moving average of hourly chart are same. Okay, so you take the trade at a 21 days moving average if it is long. Okay, so you should go ahead as soon as, see, it took the support here in 31 and 13 days moving average of hourly chart. Okay, then after that, if you see that it is going above 21 days average, above 21 day moving average, take the long trade. Absolutely no doubt, and it will go. Okay, it will go by keeping the stop loss of this support, by keeping the stop loss of your hourly support, hourly 13 days average support. That is how I used to do trade, and it is absolutely very good actually. Again I am telling, okay, now tomorrow what will happen? Tomorrow, this is the I have taken out the Nifty 1st June chart. So tomorrow also, see, starting actually we will see some movement towards up movement. Then after that 9:30 and 9:40 some sideways movement will be there. Then after 11:40 you will see that there is a some around, there will be a pullback. Okay, that pullback will cross this high or not, I don't know. This is not any level I have not given. This is only the trend I am showing. What will be the trend for tomorrow? This is the 1st June trend for tomorrow. This is not for any tradable, but you could see it and you could take your own call. You could decide your own call accordingly. I am not telling you to trade with these times. Okay, this is the time what I am telling, 11:40, and I am not telling you to trade, but you could see the price action and trade accordingly. You take your decision accordingly. Okay, I am not giving any level for this. This is only just the trend. But see, from here this one short trade is there. Okay, from here one short trade is there. So you have to see the price action here. You have to see the price action. So if it is going below 21 day average in the 15-minute chart, then you could take it. By keeping a stop loss over this high, whatever it is made in morning session. So now this zone, this one I am not sure actually. So I will tell it clearly. So this one I am not sure whether it is going up or whether it is going down. So but at 140 you see the price action. You see the price action, whether this trend will continue to move down or whether it will be going up. So if you see that if it is coming down, this is coming down, then see the 21 days average, that if it is going up, then if it is closing in the 15-minute chart, if it is closing, then you could take by keeping the stop loss over here. So this definitely will go up then. Okay, if it is going. So this is the trend for 1st June what I am discussing over here. So take your trade accordingly, and you can check it whether it is working or not. So I used to find the time analysis, and with the help of the time analysis only I could take the decision of, but I am not a buyer, I am a seller only. So I used to take the straddle play, or I used to play the short strangle. So this is my view of the Nifty for tomorrow. This is just a view. This is not for any trading purpose. So if you are trading, this is a disclaimer. So if you are trading, you take your own decision accordingly. So this is the trend which is going to be followed in the Nifty. Okay, so this is not 100% correct. Okay, it is 80% correct. 80% the scenario will be like this only, but not 100%. Make sure. So okay, so that's it guys. So trade accordingly. Happy trading for tomorrow.